How to draw Peter Pan, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of drawing Peter Pan, we're going to begin by drawing a long curvy line which will be the top of the head along with the first piece of Peter Pan's hair. Next we'll draw the second piece of hair which will be coming down from the left side of the curvy line that we previously drew. Well done. Next we're going to begin to draw the fronts of Peter Pan's hair. This will be the largest piece, and if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video because this part might be a little bit tricky. All done? If so, let's continue. For the next step, we're going to move to the left side of the hair and we're going to begin to draw the first and only ear of Peter Pan. For the next step, we are going to begin to draw the outline of Peter Pan's face. We'll connect the right portion of the hair all the way down to the left ear that we previously drew together. And if you would like to learn how to draw more characters from Disney's Peter Pan, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our most recent drawing of Captain Hook. Fantastic! Now we're all done drawing the outline of the face. We're not going to add in any detail to the face just yet. For the next step, we're going to begin to draw the hat on the top of Peter Pan's head. To draw the bottom of the hat, we'll make a curved line right beneath the ear. So Peter Pan has a really big red feather on the top of his hat. That will be what we draw next. I might move down my paper just a little bit to make sure that you can still see everything that I'm drawing. And if this video has helped you out so far, then be sure to give it a big like so other Peter Pan fans and other YouTube artists can also learn how to draw Peter Pan. Now we have to go to the inside of the face and start to add some detail. For the first step, we're going to begin to draw the nose by using a curvy line going up and down. On the right side, connected to the nose, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the eye. On the inside of what we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the pupil along with the iris. Now directly above the eye that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the eyebrow, which will appear as if it is coming off the face of Peter Pan. Let's go ahead and fill in this eyebrow completely black. Now a little to the left, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the left eye. Now on the inside, just how we did on the right hand side, we're going to begin to draw the pupil along with the iris. Whoa, so far we're making great progress. Now let's go right above the eye that we just drew together and let's begin to draw the second eyebrow. All done? If so, let's continue. Next, we're going to go right by the nose, and we're going to use a couple small curved lines to help finish drawing the nose. Now directly below the nose, we're going to begin to draw the mouth, which will appear to be open. On the top of the mouth, you'll be able to see a big set of teeth along with the tongue on the bottom of the mouth. The back of the mouth will be colored in completely black. At the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and match your colors. Now lastly, in the ear, we'll add in a big S shape for detail. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw Peter Pan. And if you would like me to see your drawing of Peter Pan, then be sure to share it with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. And I really hope to draw with you next time, so be sure to subscribe so you stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post every single day. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.